We got a hog hauler coming in hot today, folks. This is the TMG Hog Hauler, built for my man Brian. Let's check it out before she rolls out. First off, we got our Inferno burn box with 250 cut in half. We got a grate in here. Build your fire up here, burn down the coals, shovel your coals out. What are you gonna do with those coals? Follow me. We're gonna throw them in the roll-off, baby. So this is a roll-off XL. She is all loaded up. This is a 72 by 36, and it's got the hog flipper in it. So we've basically got two grates in here. You take the top grate off, put your hog, chicken, whatever you want to put in there. Screw it back down. Whole grate, flip up and down. So obviously you can just use this as a standard direct heat cooker if you want, or you got that flipper in there. Brian also got some griddle tops, which I've got down here. He's got two griddle tops. They can sit up there if you want to do some griddling. Insulated bottom, guys. All 3/16 plate steel. The bottom's 1/4 inch. Got your double door there. Coin slot for your air intake. Check out that slick custom painted trailer, guys. Really smooth trailer. We've got a big stainless steel prep table right here. This folds up. We got double propane tanks down here for the two 8.5 gallon fryers we got sitting up here on the nose. Triple basket each. That's gonna do some frying for y'all. So hey, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.